Title: The Incredible World of Ants, Nature's Tiny Engineers. Worlds of Ants. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Uncharted Animal Realms. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and often overlooked world of ants. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystems and have some mind-blowing abilities that might just surprise you. So let's get started. Ants are social insects, and they live in colonies that can range from a few dozen to millions of individuals. Each ant has a specific role within the colony, creating a highly organized and efficient society. Let's take a closer look at how they work together. Ants communicate primarily through pheromones, chemical signals that convey information about food sources, danger, or even the presence of a queen. This communication is vital for the smooth functioning of the colony. But did you know that there are over 12,000 known species of ants worldwide? From the industrious leafcutter ants to the fearsome bullet ants, the diversity among ant species is truly astonishing. Showcase images and footage of different ant species. Each species has adapted to its environment, exhibiting unique behaviors and characteristics. It's a testament to the incredible diversity found in nature. Ant architecture. Now let's talk about ant architecture. Ants are not only skilled engineers, they're also capable of constructing intricate nests and tunnels. Some species even create elaborate structures from materials like leaves and soil. Ants build their nests with precision, creating chambers for brood rearing, storage, and even waste disposal. It's a miniaturized world of architecture that rivals human constructions in complexity. Ant superorganisms. One of the most remarkable aspects of ants is their ability to function as superorganisms. They work together seamlessly, with each ant contributing to the success of the colony. But what happens when a colony faces a threat? When under attack, ants can mount a coordinated defense. Some species use their bodies to create living bridges, while others deploy chemical warfare to fend off intruders. It's a testament to their adaptability and resilience. Certainly, here are some interesting facts about ants. Social structure. Ants are social insects that live in colonies, with each colony consisting of a queen, worker ants, and sometimes male ants. Worker ants have specific roles such as foraging for food, caring for the young, larvae, defending the nest, and maintaining the colony. Colony size. Ant colonies can range in size from a few dozen to millions of individuals, depending on the species. 1. Some ant colonies are so large that they can span vast areas and contain complex networks of tunnels and chambers. Communication. Ants communicate primarily through the use of pheromones, which are chemical signals. They use pheromones to mark trails to food sources, signal danger, and identify colony members. Ants also use tactile communication, such as antennal touching, to convey information within the colony. Ant diversity. 1. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and they can be found on almost every continent. 2. Ants display a wide range of sizes, colors, and behaviors. 2. Examples include the leafcutter ants, weaver ants, and army ants. Strength and endurance. 1. Ants are incredibly strong for their size. 1. Some species can carry objects that are many times their own body weight. 2. They are also known for their endurance, with some ants able to travel long distances in search of food. Ant lifespan. 1. The lifespan of an ant varies depending on its role within the colony. 1. Worker ants may live from a few weeks to several months, while queens can live for years. Male ants typically have the shortest lifespan, often living only a few weeks. Queen ants. 1. The queen ant is the reproductive female in the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. 3. In some ant species, there may be multiple queens in a colony, while in others, there is only one dominant queen. Ant farming. 1. Some ant species engage in farming activities. 2. For example, leafcutter ants collect leaves to cultivate fungus, which serves as their food source. 4. Certain ant species keep aphids as livestock, protecting them from predators and milking them for honeydew. Colonial defense. 1. Ant colonies have sophisticated defense mechanisms. 2. Some species use their bodies to create living bridges, while others deploy stinging or biting techniques. 4. Army ants are known for their aggressive group attacks on prey, overwhelming and subduing much larger animals. Ants and the environment. 1. Ants play a crucial role in ecosystems as decomposers, seed dispersers, and predators of other insects. 3. They contribute to soil aeration through their digging activities, promoting plant growth. These facts showcase the diverse and intricate nature of ants and their importance in the ecosystems they inhabit. Ant navigation. 1. Ants are exceptional navigators and can find their way back to the nest even after extensive foraging trips. 3. They use landmarks and the angle of the sun for navigation, and some species can also count their steps. Ant eyesight. 1. While many ants have poor eyesight, some species have compound eyes that can detect polarized light patterns in the sky, helping them navigate. 3. Ants rely heavily on their antennae for sensing their environment and detecting chemicals. Ant life cycle. 1. Ants undergo complete metamorphosis, progressing through the egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. 3. The queen ant lays eggs and worker ants care for the developing larvae. 4. The pupal stage is a period of transformation before emerging as an adult ant. Ant mimicry. 1. Some insects have evolved to mimic ants to avoid predation. 2. This phenomenon, known as myrmecomorphy, allows non-ant species to benefit from the protection associated with ant colonies. Ants and agriculture. 1. Certain ant species engage in agriculture, cultivating fungi for food. 2. They create elaborate fungus gardens within their nests and tend to them by controlling humidity and removing contaminants. 4. Some ants also participate in husbandry of scale insects, protecting them from predators and harvesting honeydew produced by the insects. Ants and symbiosis. 1. Ants form symbiotic relationships with other organisms. 2. For instance, they have mutualistic relationships with aphids, receiving honeydew in return for protection. 4. Acacia ants live in a mutualistic relationship with acacia trees, defending the trees against herbivores in exchange for shelter and food. Ants and war. 1. Ants engage in territorial battles with neighboring colonies. 2. These conflicts can involve large-scale battles, and some species exhibit specialized soldier ants with powerful jaws or stingers. Or raiding behavior is observed in certain ant species, where they invade other colonies to steal pupae, food, or even entire colonies. Ant intelligence. 1. Ants collectively display a form of intelligence known as swarm intelligence. 2. The colony can solve complex problems and make collective decisions without centralized control. 4. Some ant species exhibit tool use, using objects to bridge gaps or transport liquids. Ant venom. While not all ants are venomous, some species have stingers and can deliver painful bites or stings. 3. The bullet ant, found in South America, is known for having one of the most painful insect stings according to the Schmidt Sting Pain Index. Ants in culture. 1. Ants have been featured in literature, folklore, and popular culture for centuries. 2. Aesop's fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper, is a classic example. 4. Ants are often used as symbols of diligence, teamwork, and perseverance in various cultures around the world. These additional facts highlight the incredible adaptability, complexity, and diverse interactions of ants within their ecosystems and with other organisms. All right, folks, that wraps up our journey into the incredible world of ants. From their intricate communication systems to their diverse species and remarkable architectural skills, ants truly are nature's tiny engineers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and let us know in the comments which aspect of ants surprised you the most. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Like and subscribe. Thank you.